Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy BNB on MetaMask app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaMask app and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaMask apps on in the screen, where you can see the Ethereum main network at the top of this dashboard. Simply tap on that option and now you can see the add network at the bottom of this section, so simply select the add network. And now you can see the BNB chain at this second, which is distinguishable by its Binance logo, and you can see the add option at the right side. Simply tap on that add option and now confirm it, and now finally tap on the switch to network, and now you will be redirected to the home page where you can see the buy BNB option at the middle of this screen. So simply tap on that option and complete your banking credentials and you will be able to buy BNB successfully. So basically this is how you can buy BNB on MetaMask app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.